Here I have VIVO V11 and let me show you how to reset all settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find here and select settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down and choose here more settings. Alright, that's it. Then scroll down again and select backup and reset. Here let's choose reset all settings. So this operation will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted, so it's good to know. Tap reset to accomplish that operation. And the device is resetting itself, the phone is resetting the settings and bringing back the default configuration. Excellent, the reset settings is completed. Now you can start using your device with the default configuration. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.